friends, today we're talking about cloudy weather. Here's a big cloud in the sky. Have you ever seen clouds in the sky? Sometimes they're rain clouds and sometimes there's a cloud passing by. Here it's a cloudy day. On cloudy days, you can't always see the sun. On a cloudy day, the sun is above the clouds. Here's a fun fact. If you fly in an airplane above the clouds, you can see the sun. On a cloudy day, you get less light from the sun. Here's a fun fact. Cloudy days are often gray and chilly, meaning it's kind of colder. On cloudy days, you get less heat from the sun. Some clouds are low. Low clouds are made of drops of water. Some clouds are high in the sky. High clouds are made of bits of ice. That's really interesting. Some clouds rest on the ground. A cloud on the ground is called fog. Here's a fun fact. Fog usually happens in the morning. Some clouds bring rain. Some clouds bring snow. Some clouds bring storms. That's really interesting. Then I have a fun book called Little Cloud that talks about shapes of clouds. It's called Little Cloud. Little clouds drift slowly across the sky. Little cloud trails behind. The clouds push upward and away. Little cloud pushes downward and touches the top of the houses and the trees. It's okay. Little cloud moves out of sight. Little cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little cloud changed into, what shape is this? A sheep. And clouds sometimes look alike. Little cloud changed into an airplane. Little cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little cloud changed into a shark. Little cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little cloud changed to two trees. Little cloud liked the way trees never move and always stay in place. But when the wind blows, they do move. Little cloud changed into a rabbit. Little cloud loved watching rabbits dash across the meadow. Little cloud then changed into a hat because little cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled like close together. Little cloud, they called, come back. Little cloud drifted towards the other clouds. I wonder what's going to happen when they all get together. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud, and it rained. And then there's lots of clouds. So in your packet, you're going to have a cloud shape. Well, what will your cloud be? It can stay a cloud shape and you can decorate it. You can decorate it with crayons, markers, watercolors are always fun, or you can change the shape. You can have an adult's help to decide what shape you might see. Then go outside and look in the sky and see what kind of shapes you see in the actual clouds outside. Have lots of fun. Bye, friends.